to speak of others in a critical manner. Examples are: Mary's mom dished out 2 or 3 scoops of ice cream for each child at the birthday party. And Larry can't seem to take any criticism of his actions, but he certainly liked to dish it out. Next, to get through it. To get through it means to communicate with, to make someone understand, also to break through it. This idiom has the meaning of to make someone catch on. Examples in sentences are: some of the students in my reading class understand English so poorly that it's difficult to get through to them. Second, the doctors have never succeeded in breaking through to Mr. Ames, who is a silent and secretive patient. Next, to keep one's word. To keep one's word means to fulfill a promise, to be responsible. An idiom with the opposite meaning